Hi, today I'll be looking at the HexStyli 6-in-1 stylus pen. And now as you can see, it comes beautifully presented in a very nice gift box, making it an absolutely ideal present to give. The HexStyli is a very good looking and functional stylus pen, as you can see with its silver metallic finish. The omnidirectional stylus tip on the top of the HexStyli enables you to draw and write with incredible accuracy and precision on all capacitive screens, which pretty much covers all of the range of tablets and smartphones on the market today. The HexStyli also features an integrated refillable ballpoint pen for jotting notes and writing down cards. Always good to have a pen lying around. And with this you have it in your stylus pen as well, so you have so many functions with this pen, and the writing being one of them. Simply twist to reveal the nib and twist back so that it retracts. You get a very nice grip there as well, just to aid your writing so it's not going to slip around in your hand. Now the HexStyli also features a printed ruler on the side there, which is perfect for little quick measurements around the house, as well as a spirit level built in. Now the spirit level is really good if you're putting up any picture frames around the house. You can just make sure they're level very quickly and easily without having to go hunting through your toolbox. As if that wasn't enough, the HexStyli also features a reversible head screwdriver. Simply twist at the top where the stylus is, which will reveal the Phillips and slotted head screwdriver. So all you want to do if you want to change it up is pull out and put back in. It really is as easy as that. So you do have a screwdriver for every occasion, all in one pen. This is a fantastic product with so many functions and is available now at Mobile Fun.